Good morning guys, I am Ravi Kumar Ranjan. Welcome you in my channel Tackle Code Point. In this video we can see how to insert a node in the single linked list. In the previous video we see how to create a single linked list. In this video we see how to insert a node in the single linked list. Guys, how to insert a node in the single linked list? There are three cases in this. First, insert a node at beginning. Second, insert a node at any position, and the third one is insert a node at the end. So guys, firstly we cover insert a node at the beginning. Now guys, let me take a pencil for getting you much better. First, what is the question? Firstly we going to understand the question. What question says? Write a Java program to insert a node at beginning in SLL. SLL means single linked list. Then guys, suppose this is the two node, means this is the two node which are, this is the linked list consisting two node. The name of first, we know that the name of first node is always a start. Then guys, the new node, our new node is come at that place and said to this node that I want to join with you. So guys, see, firstly we declare class node, after that int n, then we create a method. After that guys, these are the taking in these, from these method we are going to take input from the user. Then the main method is a starting, main code is a starting from that line. You can see these are only formalities. You can just skip, not skip, but you can just leave. This is the main code. This is going to be the main code from here to here. These are the main code. You can, we have to just what we say, that we have to just focus on that. Sorry, this from that line. Firstly I have to erase. Guys, you can see what we say, that firstly we take input from user. We are going to declare a scanner crops. After that we are taking input from the user. Then guys, new node dot next means the address part of this node, new node. The address part of new node is going to connect with a start, means this node. If new node dot next is going to written in the code, then this is going to connect like that. This is connected. After that we know that we know that the name of first node is always a start, so we are going to declare a start equal to new node. After that a start is coming at that place, a start, like that. This is the easiest code you can ever see. Now guys, see the next part. Write a Java program to insert a new node at the end in SLL, means these are the node combined with each other. This is the linked list consisting three node. After that we are going to insert the last new node at the last. We know that guys, in what we have to do, how can I connect this node at the last? Firstly we have to know the name of this node. Then firstly we going to declare going to give ptr to the first place, then a start equal to ptr. You can see ptr equal to a start, sorry, not a start equal to ptr equal to a start, that this is there, ptr equal to a start. After that guys, we are going to insert a loop, means while ptr dot next not equal to nulls. Firstly we have to understand what this loop is going to said. Ptr dot next not equal to a start. Ptr is coming at that place. Firstly it is just like that what we going to understand you in the creation of a linked list. Then ptr dot next not equal to null. Ptr dot next means address part of this. Address part of this is not null. Then we are going to ptr equal to ptr dot next. Then ptr is going to the next place. You can see here ptr dot next is not equal to null. Then address part of this node is also not null. Then ptr also going to that place. Then see ptr dot next not equal to null, but here ptr dot next equal to null, not equal to null and equal to null. Then the loop is not running. Then loop is not running, loop is broken. After that we doesn't going inside the loop, and we are going to the we are going out of the loop. And now what is the next code? ptr dot next is equal to new node. Guys, ptr is coming at that place. You can see ptr is coming. After that ptr dot next, we have to just connect this new node at to the ptr. Then ptr dot next equal to new node. Then this is connected. Ptr dot next here see ptr dot next equal to new node. This line shows that the last new node is connected to the last node. New node is going to connected to the last node. After that, guys, you can see new node dot next equal to null. Means we have to just we have also to declare that the address part of the last node is also null, because there is no other node behind him, behind it. So you can see null. You can see. Now guys, the next part is going to write a Java code to display. Guys, we doesn't cover this code in this video, because this is only on insertion. So we are going to insert a video at a second third position. Write a Java code to insert a new node at third position. Guys, you can see this is the original. This is the original linked list we have. You can see. Then this new node is coming. New node is coming. You can just, I can write new n. This is coming at that place, and said that said that this node I want to connect with you, and I want to connect with you at the other end. Then guys, what we said, that if we doesn't know the name of this node and this node, so firstly we have to give a particular name. After that this new node is going to connect with them. Then you can see this is the class declare, this is the integer n declare, and after that this is method declaration. Then taking input from the user from a scanner class, like that. These are not very important for us, but yeah, this is important. Int count equal to 0. Int count equal to 0 means we have to going to count. We have going to count that which position is. We doesn't know what is the position. Third position, where is the third position. So firstly we have to give a count to that place. Now guys, see ptr equal to a start. Ptr equal to a start means ptr is going at that place. Then after that while count not equal to 2 means what? While count not equal to 2 means what? When the count is coming at 2, when the count is 2 means when the counting of node is 2, then pre equal to ptr. Pre equal to ptr means here when the counting is 2, ptr is a stop there. ptr coming at that place and stop there. And here pre equal to ptr means also at that place pre pre is coming, pre is coming, and ptr equal to ptr dot next. Ptr equal to ptr dot next means what? This ptr is going to that place, next node. Now you can see guys, the name of this node is pre. You can just remove ptr. The name of this node is pre and this is ptr. Let me draw clearly. I will going to understand you in better ways. Yeah, you can see guys, the now situation is like that. This is pre and now this is ptr. And this is our new node. I just declare n.n means new node. This is our new node, and said ptr that I want to connect to that. I want to connect with you to that side, and I want to connect with you to that side, like that. You can just imagine. So guys, what is the our pre dot next equal to new node means this pre dot next means address part of the this pre node. This is going to connect with new node, just like that. Pre dot next equal to new node. Then after that guys, what we said that also we have to connect this side to like that. Then what we new node dot next. Guys, you can't here you have to understand, you can't here write ptr dot next equal to new node, because we can't going to connect this ptr what we said that we have to connect from this side. So we have just said that new node dot next. New node dot next, we are coming from the left to right, we are not coming from the right to left. So we have to understand that we are going and connected from left to right. Here you can see pre dot next equal to new node, and new node dot next equal to ptr. New node dot next equal to ptr. You can see new node dot next equal to ptr. Here ptr is just covered. Then after creating another class and public static void main, then after making object, these are not very important guys. The important code for us is from there. You can see from here, just from here. From here to here, this is the important. We have just only to understand this. These codes are same in every programming, like deletion, insertion, display. Every programming this code is same, but this is not same. The main logic of the program, the main logic of the question is hidden in this code. So we have only to understand this. So guys, you can understand how to insert a new node at third position. So this is enough for today guys. Thank you. Please hit, if you like my video, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the like. Thank you.